Good morning once again, students. Now we are going to do here physical properties of phenol. So whensoever we are talking about the physical properties of phenols, number one is here about the state and smell. But phenols are crystalline solids or liquid, and they are having a phenolic smell. Which smell is there, beta? Phenolic smell. Clear? Now second point is there, then we can write second point about their solubility. Alcohols were soluble in the water, but phenols are less soluble in the in the water. Okay, now why the phenols are less soluble in the water? Because, but I will tell you, in the phenol there is a benzene ring. This benzene ring is here, and I will tell you this aryl group is usually a non-polar, and its size is also large. And what will happen there, beta? तो ये साइज लार्ज है इसका, ये हैवी क्या है, नॉन पोलर है. तो व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल गिव द हाइडन, ठीक है, इन द पोलर करेक्टर ऑफ द OH. ओके, you may say it will produce the hindrance in the polar character of the OH, due to which this OH group, for this OH group is difficult. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि not possible, just remember it's difficult to make the hydrogen bond so easily as the alcohol was forming. तो phenols ये नहीं है कि soluble नहीं है, but less soluble. But as the intermolecular hydrogen bonding it was forming in the alcohols, like that it can't form. Clear? Or is that clear? Now after that, beta, we are having a third point. Third point is here about their boiling point. But whenever we are talking about the boiling point of phenols, okay, boiling point of the phenols are higher than the boiling point of aromatic hydrocarbon. Means suppose this is the phenol, this is any aromatic hydrocarbon, and this is haloarine. And when we are comparing it experimentally, what we are getting here, we are getting there 455 Kelvin, here 384 Kelvin, and here 405 Kelvin. So which one is, tell me now, which one from this is having the highest boiling point? Oh yeah, obviously this is 405, this one. Why this one is having now highest boiling point? Because it can make a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. What it can do, it can make the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to that reason only phenol is having a higher boiling point than that of the aromatic hydrocarbon and the haloarine. Okay students, these all were the physical properties of the physical properties of the phenol. Okay students, thank you very much.